Open the freezer door and pull it out. Pull out the top sliding upper drawer and lift it off the top rails. Set it aside. With both hands, slightly pull the freezer door upward to lift it out of the bottom rails and remove it. Locate the freezer LED light. Remove the plastic LED light cover using a pick tool. Disengage the LED light strip using a pick tool. Unplug and remove the old LED light strip. Install the new LED light strip by plugging it into the wire connector, then pushing it into the grooves until it snaps into place. Install the plastic clear light cover by pressing it until it snaps into place. Ensure the lower drawer sits on the guide rails. Line up the guide rail wheels on both sides. Slightly lift upward to align the wheels with the rails and push inward to ensure the drawer slides in properly. Then slide in the upper drawer in the same manner as the lower drawer.